Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel, and we're here on the fitness and aquatic side. We got some more work happening. If you've been driving by driving by our parking lot, you'll see a lot more activity on the historic home theater end, and we're excited to be having some fun things happening over there. So we can't wait to reveal that to you once it's all done in June-ish.
June-ish,
probably. Yeah,
hopefully.
So
that's why we haven't recorded over there for a while. It is too loud. It is loud.
Loud concrete, bricks, all kinds of stuff.
Big drills, drilling out things. It is just, sometimes you kind of go, is the building coming down? No, okay.
Yeah, so it's lots of excitement going on.
It is exciting.
Yeah, but we do have shows. The show must go on. Like, we have the contractors have been working around your schedule, which is awesome. So
yep, we'll tell them we have a show, and they will make sure that the hallways are passable, and it'll be as cleaned up as good as it can, but just keep that in mind when you come see us. Things are a little different right now.
And we have lots of great stuff coming up, so come watch.
Yeah, at the end of this week, Thursday, April 7th, we have the Church Basement Ladies coming.
Oh,
yes, they are so fun, and they're doing two shows. They're going to be here at 2 o'clock and 7:30 p.m., and it is their 20th anniversary, so they are bringing back the original show that started it all to the homes 20 years later.
It's going to be great.
Yep.
It's going to be fantastic.
So that will be a lot of fun. Get your tickets for that. We also have another really cool show coming this week on Saturday the 9th. The New Standards are coming, and they have been with us before. They did a Christmas show, but then we did have to cancel them during COVID.
Yeah.
And so they are bringing their show Score to the homes, and it's a show that is music from all their favorite classic and cult movies. And
Awesome.
they are bringing special guests. They have a horn section, a string section, a big band. It is going to be a really, really cool show.
Yeah,
and they are a great group.
They are. They're so so I follow them on Twitter. Actually, I follow their lead on Twitter, and the people that they bring in are like they are Minneapolis based. They are phenomenal individuals that come together to create this show. So it's really cool, and they have a really strong following in the city. So so it's so great that they're coming back up here.
Yeah, and a lot of the movies they'll cover will be movies from like the 60s and 70s.
Oh, awesome.
So it's going to be a really good show. That is on Saturday, April 9th. So get your tickets to that. Come join us. Tickets at the door too. It'll be fun. You will not be disappointed.
Yeah, just amazing. Yeah, live performances. I mean, come on, it's just live music. It's
and they
just great.
do it right.
Yeah,
they do it right. We do actually have a video posted on our Facebook page. You could go check them out there.
Cool.
And also a reminder that summer is coming, and our summer theater camps are open for registration. We have our Missoula coming back for a week-long theater. We have Prairie Fire coming back for a week-long theater. And then we are also doing our month-long musical. We're doing The Music Man this year.
Very cool.
The Music Man Junior.
Ooh, fun.
So that is open. All that stuff is up there. We have art classes. Just get online and see all the stuff. We're adding more as we go.
Yeah.
But there's a lot going on this spring and summer. We can keep you busy. We can keep your kids busy.
Yeah, awesome. So much fun. So lots of good things. Also, because, why not talk about summer, but, like the whole Tuesdays in the Park will be coming. We have the art show, street fair is coming. So there's all kinds of good stuff happening. So we just have to talk about summer because it's still coolish this week, hence my sweatshirt. So anyway, so we have lots of great things happening. We are also talking spring and summer. We have some great baseball programs that are getting started. We have our spring and summer swim lessons that have started. Our Sunfish swim team actually starts in May. So if you're looking at having a child who has completed at least level 3, and the only reason we use level 3 for Red Cross swim lessons as a guideline is because for Sunfish, your child needs to be able to swim a combined length of the pool, front crawl, backstroke, length of the pool, unassisted by an adult or a kickboard. So that's where we kind of use that level 3 because that's where they get those skills. So if you're interested in that, you can contact me actually for that. We also have a wide variety of classes coming, fitness and aquatics classes happening. We have obviously our water and motion, our evening classes. We have some really great dance classes that we offer, HIIT and things like that. And then we also offer a yoga class. So Nancy Hebert's bringing, have you ever wanted to try yoga? Nancy's starting a beginner yoga class, and that actually starts here this next week. And so if you're looking for that, you can sign. We do ask that you sign up in advance, but it is free, so it's not a paid for program. So we're super pumped about that. Our yoga trapeze class is ongoing, so we encourage encourage you to do that. And I think if you check out maybe the KDLM or Wave 104 too, there's maybe some video of some local on-air celebrities that participated in one of those yoga trapeze classes. So we encourage you to check that out as well. So for all of that, we have all kinds of great things happening. We also have our summer day camp that I want to do a little plug for. You can find out more information online as well for that. So for all of that and more, please go to our website at www.dlccc.org. Thanks so much for joining us this week, and we'll see you next week on Backstage Pass.